Hey there, how you doing? It's December 27th, 2018, and it's time to do a little work on the airplane. So just to recap, last session, a couple days ago, I glued on the other top skin. Let me show you how that turned out for me. It went absolutely fabulously. Look at this, we've got a tail. So this is pretty cool. This is really cool, actually. The glue line turned out awesome, so let's get this back in place. Today what I'm going to do, I am going to glue in the bolts. I'm going to cut and size and cut the reinforcement for the elevator spar, and I'm going to glue in the elevator hinges today. So not a huge project on the go, but it's going to move us a step forward. At that point, once that's dry, we can glue in the rear and elevator spar, and then we're ready to start doing ribs. So follow along. Okay, that's that. So we've got the rear or the elevator reinforcement glued on. Lots of clamps on it. And then we now have, that's our elevator. So set this like this. It's going to be the elevator on the back side here. And there's our elevator. And she's snug right now. But you can see we glued the bolts in, the heads, the washers, and then we've got some resin around the holes, protect the wood. And then on the inside, We've got our elevator brackets, and we got those all glued down. So that is it for today. Next step is going to be to glue this into the elevator. We're going to glue it into the skin, into both skins, actually on the top skins, and then we can start fitting ribs in. Wow, must be the glue. All right, stick around.